Oh, the werewolf comes a stepping along. He don't even break the branches where he's been gone. You can hear his long holler from way across the moor. That's the holler of the werewolf when he's feeling poor. He goes out in the evening when the bats are on the wing, and he's killed some young maiden before the birds sing. For the werewolf have sympathy, 'cause the werewolf is someone just like you and me. Once I saw him in the moonlight when the bats were all alone. I saw the werewolf, and the werewolf was crying, crying, nobody, nobody, nobody knows how much I love the maiden as a tear off her clothes, crying, nobody, nobody knows of my pain. When I see it has risen, that full moon again, when I see that moon moving through the clouds in the sky, I get a crazy feeling, I wonder why. Oh, the werewolf comes traveling along. He don't even break the branches where he's been gone. For the werewolf have pity, not fear, not hate, 'cause the werewolf might be someone that you've known of late. leave and brush the leaves where he's been gone.